1968 Ford Mustang two-door hardtop. This car is actually a Sprint Promotion B package car. So $289, V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with the C4 automatic transmission. Also equipped with power steering and AC when it was ordered new from the factory. AC components appear to be there. I've not had it working. Belt is unhooked, FYI. But we'll pop open the hood here just a bit. Let you check out the engine bay. We'll look at the interior. Now, a little story behind this vehicle. It's actually a two-owner vehicle. It has had one repaint. The second owners had one repaint done on it. DSO was Texas. This is an original Texas vehicle. I believe it was sold district sales office in Dallas. So paint, obviously, as you can see, shows well on it. Was not driven winters. Take a look at the underside pictures. I'll tell you where to see the underside pictures, the interior pics, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, when you look at the underside pictures, what I want to point out is there's no undercoating put on. There's nothing we've scraped off. We have left it just the way that it came to us. You can see original torque boxes, original pans, inner rockers on the rear panels, inner rocker panels. So you'll get a good idea how that car looks on the underside by taking a look at those still pictures. Interior, still original. This is nugget gold, vinyl bucket seats. Of course, the automatic shifter on the floor. And then take a look up and down at this car and how straight it is. As far as wheels that were ordered on this car, it is the Argent styled steel wheels. So that is correct. So this car is very original to the way it would have came from Ford back in 1968. Repainted in Wimbledon white, so it's still the same paint scheme. And you'll still see the original paint underneath the hood, in the trunk. Check out the originality of the trunk also on the sides of it and in the still pictures. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The car's always been stored indoors, and it definitely shows. I mean, look at the original. This is original bright work. As far as the bumper, got a little bit of pitting, but you know how those usually get just a slight bit of pitting. But those are original. Think of that for the age of the vehicle. Wow. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at those underside pictures I mentioned earlier. Look at the pictures of the trunk, interior, engine bay. Pretty close to 100 pictures, if not more, of this vehicle online. Let's take a look up and down this driver's side. And again, look at how straight these panels are. Paint shows well. You might find a little tiny chip here or there that's been touched up, but overall, yes, the paint does look as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. All right, onto this interior, and again, original interior, nugget gold. With this paint and interior combination, literally 421 of these cars is all that was made in 1968. Martyr report is available. You can see that in the still pictures also. It will have the breakdown of that door tag, production numbers, all of that. So check out the Martyr report in with the still pictures. Seats, you do have a little bit of fading discoloration, but look, as far as rips, tears, wear, you can tell this is a well taken care of car. Now, as far as well taken care of, suspension components, when you look at the underside, look at the front suspension components, carb has been rebuilt, tank has been drained. There has been a ton of service work done to this car before it hit our showroom floor, before we're advertising it for sale. Consigners of this vehicle are selling it. Want it to be right, want it to run out, drive out nicely for the next owners. So they did do a lot of the service work that needed to be done on this from storage. Now, if you want to know exactly what was done, there are repair orders here. Consult with your sales associate. Go through that. But to the tune of, I believe, $7,000, $8,000 in that range. Again, check with your sales consultant. If you call in, they'll be able to go through that with you. And it definitely shows when you take this car out and go down the road with it, no doubt. And you'll be able to see what I'm talking about from those underside pictures also. See how easily that 289 fires up. All right, oil pressure gauge up here. See that it's going up to about mid-range. Alternator, fuel gauge. See AC controlled, heat controls over here. You have the fog lamp switch underneath the dash. I'll let this warm up just a little bit. There's a cold start. I have not really played around with the radio at all. We're going to turn that on. Let that warm up. That is an original transistor radio, FYI. By the way, the wipers work fine. What I like to call a navigation system back in 1968 right there. Look at the dash. Look at the condition of that dash. All right, let's check this radio, see if we got any. It's not seem to power up. This does not surprise me, being the original radio. Headliner, all good also. Flip around the back so you can hear this run. And see that door close, and listen to how that door closes. Let me show you that again. Look at how well that fits. This is not a car that's been pieced together. Like I said, very original. One repaint. Slip around to the back so you hear that run. And again, even look at how the trunk lid fits, the gaps. I'm going to show you this door since we're walking around it over here too. Look at this. And that is not closing that door very hard at all. Look at how it latches. Look at how it fits. Same way with the hood. Again, you can tell this is not a car that's been pieced together. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. I'm going to show you the engine bay. All right, here we go. So 289. And again, original engine bay. Obviously, radiator was replaced. It was an aluminum one. Things that needed to be done. Listen how smooth that runs. See how smooth that runs. Again, AC factory equipped car with power steering. AC would need some PLC if you wanted to get that going, but it appears all the components are here. Very original engine bay also.
Today we have a 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe. I'm going to take for a little drive. Test the wipers. Wipers work. Radio does not work. Response is good. Temperature is reading just under half on the cold hot gauge. Oil pressure about 2/3 on the low high gauge, reading on the good side. Acceleration is good, what you'd expect. This is an automatic on the floor. Blower motor fan works. charging is reading right in the middle of the gauge. Pulls slightly to the left when braking hard. Let's get up to speed. There, we're at 60 miles an hour. Drive straight. Smooth with no wobbling or tire bounce. Good smooth ride. Horn works. Maybe a little pulsation in the brakes when you brake hard.
Two owner, original Texas car, 1968 Ford Mustang, Sprint Promotion B, Wimbledon white, gold nugget vinyl interior. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.